Okay, good day. So this will be my first example on the topic about functional notation. And from this example, I'm going to illustrate to you how to set up a formula that will show functional relation between the variables. And example 1 says the area of a rectangle is 6 square inches. Express the perimeter P of a rectangle as a function of the length x of one side of the given rectangle. So what we're going to do is we're going to express the perimeter of this rectangle with an area of 6 square inches in terms of the one side of the rectangle. Yung side na tinutukoy dito ay may length na x. So paano yon? So as I've said earlier, magse-set up tayo ng formula for the perimeter of a rectangle as a function of one side of this rectangle. And it happens to be that the one side given is the length. At ang haba niya ay x. How are we going to set up a formula ng ating perimeter? So, paano ba yun? So, write down muna natin yung given. We have ang given natin ay the area of the rectangle. Let's say ang area natin is A or capital letter A. Area natin. And that is 6 square inches. And then, ang tinatanong sa atin is a formula ng ating perimeter nitong rectangle na to as a function of length x. So, ibig sabihin, formula consisting of the variables p and x, where p is the perimeter and x is the length of one side ng ating rectangle. So, ang required sa atin is p as a function of x. X is the independent variable and p is the dependent variable. So, magawa tayong illustration ng ating rectangle. So, ang given sa atin ay yung length niya. So, sabihin natin ito yung length, ito yung ating width of the rectangle. And let us say, ang ating width ay y, ang ating length is x. Okay. So, therefore, the area of the rectangle is length times width, therefore, the area is xy. Okay. But the required is p in terms of x. So, on our solution, kailangan natin solve si P. So, solve natin si P. Anong formula ng perimeter ng rectangle? Twice the length plus twice the width, or that is 2L plus 2W. Tingnan natin yung illustration natin. Ang illustration natin, ang length happens to be x. Okay? So, therefore, P equals 2 of x plus width is y, or 2 of y. Okay. So, ito yung perimeter ng ating rectangle. But, this perimeter is a function of two variables, or P is a function of x, y. Okay? But the required is P as a function of x. So, therefore, we have to replace y variable in terms of x. Okay? Paano natin makukuha yon? From the formula of the area. Okay? Ang area natin given is 6 square inches. At ang area natin, based from our illustration, is product of the length and width, or that is xy equals 6. So from this equation, we can solve the value of y in terms of x by dividing both sides by x. Okay? Therefore, y equals 6 over x. Okay. So, therefore, we can substitute y equal to 6 over x. So, I'm going to use this value of y as a replacement of y dun sa ating formula ng ating perimeter because the required is p as a function of x only. Okay? Yung y natin. So, we have p equals 2x plus 2y is 6 over x. So, that will be 2y over x. So, we have p equals, we can factor out 2. So, 2x divided by 2 is x. 2y over x divided by 2 is y over x. Sorry. It's my mistake. Y is 6. Okay. Sorry. 6 yan. 6 over x. Okay. So, factoring out 2. 2 times 6 divided by 2 is 6. 6 over x. Okay. So, therefore, our answer is perimeter equals 2 quantity x plus c over x. Now, nakuha ba natin yung required dun sa problem? Yes. Itong ating sagot na to is p as a function of x already. So, this is our final answer. 2 quantity x plus 6 over x. Ito na-express na natin yung perimeter as a function ng length x or one side of our rectangle. So, this will be my first example on the functional notation, and this is how to set up a formula that will show functional relation between two variables. Okay? So, thank you.